Good day everyone, welcome back to my virtual classroom. For our Music Vibes episode today, we will be doing a keyboard tutorial for the song The Blessing by Elevation Worship. And I hope that you will be blessed by this song and as well as learn something new today. And of course, please do not forget, for those that are new to my class, to click that subscribe button and notification bell for your attendance today. And before we start our keyboard tutorial, as Teacher Maria would always say, do live your life to the fullest, learn something new every day, and love one another as how our God loves us. Alright, so let's get started. So for our intro part, our left hand will be playing A, okay, A, C sharp, E, F sharp, A, C sharp, E, A. Okay, so we can play the octave or just one key. While our right hand will be playing A, D, okay, that's a D. And then you have A again, and then E, inverted. You can just skip this and just press these two keys here. That's E. And then F sharp minor. Instead of here, I'll play it here. F sharp minor, and then D, and then A, E, and then A. Alright, so with our left hand, the intro will be like this. So you can play together, right, together, right, together. So this is D over A over C sharp, E. So you can just leave this out, just press these two keys. And then F sharp minor, D over A over C sharp, and then E, A. Okay, so again it will be like this. Together, right, D over A over C sharp, E, A. Alright? And then for our verse, it will be the same set of chords. For our left hand, it will be A, C sharp, E, F sharp. Okay? A, C sharp, okay, E, A. So the same with our right hand, it will be A, D, A, E, okay, F sharp minor, D, A, E, and then A. So together with our left hand, it will be like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, and then A over C sharp, E, F sharp minor, D over A over C sharp, E, and then A. Okay, so if we're going to sing it, it will be like this. The Lord bless you, D over A, and keep you, A over C sharp, make his face shine upon you. That's E, be gracious to you. The Lord turn his, D over A, and face towards you, A over C sharp, and give you peace. Alright, so that is for the verse. Now for the chorus, it will be F sharp, D, A, D, A, and then E. Okay, so F sharp, D, A, D, A, and then E. So the same thing with our right hand, it will be F sharp, D, A, D, A, and then E, and then it will be repeated again. So that is the whole chords for the chorus. So together with our left hand, it will be played like this. So you have F sharp, D, A, D, A, and E. Okay? Again, together, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, E. Alright, so if we were going to sing it, it would be like this. Amen. D, A, E. Alright, and then you repeat it. Amen. Amen. A, E. Alright, so that is the chorus. Now for the verse, and then you repeat the verse, it will be the same set of chords, so it will be like this. Lord bless you, D over A and keep you, A over C sharp, make his face shine, and E, be gracious to F sharp minor, turn his D over A face towards you, A over C and E, A. Alright, and then again you repeat the chorus. F sharp, D, A, D, A, E. Again. Amen, amen, amen. Alright. Now when we go to the bridge part, we play first the instrumental part for the bridge. So it will be F sharp. Okay, for our left hand, it will be F sharp, D, A, and then G sharp. Okay, so it will be the same. F sharp, D, A, G sharp. Sorry, G sharp. That is for our left hand. Now for our right hand, it will be F sharp. So instead of playing this, F sharp minor will be here. D, and then A, E. So instead of pressing this, just these two. Okay, so F sharp minor, D, A, and then E. So for the instrumental part, before we go to the bridge, you can play the following. So you could press this. Okay, so again. Alright, so it will be. Alright, so that will be, you can play that or you can just play the chords, not a problem. So it will be like this. If only the chords, it will be F sharp minor, D, A, and then E over G sharp. So that is if you just play the chords. Okay, again, F sharp minor, D, A, and then you have E over G sharp. Okay, but if you would want to play that, it will be like this. D, A, and then G sharp, again, sorry. Alright, so you can play that as well before you sing the bridge. You can go slower as well. all right, before you sing it. So if you start singing it, you can go back to the chords, or you can play that. So if we go back to the chords, there are three parts, there are three different set of chords in the bridge, but it will be the same set of, three different lyrics of the bridge, but it will be the same set of chords. So for the first part of the lyrics of the bridge, it will be like this. So if I play the chords, it will be like this. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. So if you play that, that's just the chords. So if you want to play the rhythm, it will be like this. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. So you can play that as well, or just the chords. So the second set of the lyrics for the bridge, it will be the same set of chords. It will be played like this. May his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, he is with you. All right, so that's the second set of lyrics for the bridge. And then the third set of lyrics, it will be the same set of chords again. It will be in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, he is for you. So it will be the same thing. All right, so you can also play like this for the last two lines. He is for you, and then you go back to He is for you. That's fine, okay? So if we're going to do it again, the bridge from the intro or the interlude of the bridge, it will be like this. Sorry. All right. So it will be, if we sing it, it will be like this. May his presence, so may his presence, okay, go before you and behind you. So you can play the chorus, the chords, and or the rhythm. It's up to you. All right. So once you're done with the bridge, then you go back to the chorus. So if we do the last set of lyrics for the bridge, it will be like this, and then we go straight to the chorus. It will be like this. In the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing, he is for you, he is for you. And then you go back to the chorus. Amen. A-D-A-A-E. All right, and then you can repeat it as how you would want it. So that is the song Blessing at the key of A.